To achieve our net zero ambition, we all recognise that across the UK, we have to decarbonise our high carbon intensity industries. This means for our offshore energy industry, we need to provide low carbon power solutions to our offshore oil and gas assets. From studies over the last 2 to 3 years, some performed by the Net Zero Technology Centre, it's become clear that offshore wind, floating offshore wind, will be a key enabler in delivering these solutions. It's also become clear that integrating offshore wind into existing infrastructure will support accelerating the offshore energy transition. However, the cost of floating wind is too high, and we have to halve it to deliver more economic project opportunities. This is why in our 2022 Open Innovation Programme, we are targeting technologies that will significantly reduce floating offshore wind costs and provide energy management and storage solutions. These need to be solutions which best fit the local supply chain. So if you have an innovative energy management and storage solution, we want to hear from you. These solutions should support reliable delivery, security, and power availability from an offshore intermittent renewable source. If you have a floating offshore wind foundation or mooring technology that will help reduce CapEx or operational and maintenance costs, then please get in touch. And finally, we are also including in the call the design, manufacturing, and operational and maintenance technologies for dynamic and static cabling, which will lower costs and improve operational performance. There's up to £1 million and 24 months of support available for each project. So if you've got an idea, then please submit it by the 29th of April.